Hey everyone, it's Melody, another BTS album opening related video. I have 3 of the Love Yourself Her version L's to open up. I need 3 more of the photo cards to complete my set. So I bought 3 of the albums and I'm just crossing my fingers and hoping for the best, but preparing for the worst. Let's go ahead and open these up. They are fully in the plastic right now, so I'm gonna take the plastic off all of them. So we'll just go ahead and see who I pull as far as the photo card goes, because that's pretty much why I bought the album. So let's go for it. So the last time I opened up the Love Yourself Her, I actually bought version O. So this is version L. So here is version L. Really quickly, just gonna show you a very quick overview. I purchased mine at Target. This one opens like a slider. It comes with the CD in the separate little thing. I will go through, hold on. Where's the photo card? I'm so scared. So I feel something here. I'm gonna just turn everything. So just a quick flip through of the book. Very quick flip through. This was a good era. So there's the book. Let's see what we have here. We have the sticker sheet. Very pretty. Oh, there's the card. Here is the notes. All right, and let's see who we pulled. Oh my gosh, we got Yoongi. God bless America. We got Yoongi in this one. Oh, I'm so excited. Do I have this? I think this might be a double, but Yoongis are always good to have because they are much more easily tradable. I love it. I feel like all of the Yoongis from Love Yourself Her, like all of the photo cards, all 4 of them are phenomenal because of the hair. So we got Yoongi in this one. Beautiful. Very excited. All right, so there is the first one. Let's go ahead and open the second one now. Opened up the second one. Again, version L. Again, CD, photo book. Where is it in here? It's like here. I'm gonna pull everything out. All right. Same pictures because it's the same version. Really quickly. Sticker sheet, notes, and here's the card. So the 3 that I actually need are Jin, J-Hope, and Jimin. So it's the J's. Those are the 3 that I actually need. So let's see who we have here. Oh my God, it's another Yoongi. You guys, I don't know what to do. Oh my goodness. Are these all gonna be Yoongi? So there is another Yoongi. Wow, this doesn't happen to me, I feel like. Usually I pull Jimin a lot, I feel like. So there's another Yoongi. Let's open up the third one. Let's see what happens here. All right, you guys, it's the last one. I can't believe I have 2 extra Yoongis now. Let's see. Let's see what happens. I am not upset about extra Yoongis by any means, but I am just very surprised. All right, CD, photo book. It's somewhere here. Just gonna take it out. Quick flip through. Stickers are just gonna stay in there. Okay, all of this stuff we've seen. All right, here we go. If it's Yoongi, you guys, it's a Yoongi sort of day then, okay? Again, all 3 were purchased from Target. 2 were purchased from the same Target. 1 was actually purchased from a different Target location. So this is just kind of random. Here we go. Oh my God, it's Jungkook. Oh my goodness gracious. I am so shocked. I never pull Jungkook. Oh my goodness. So, wow, this was very surprising. We've got a Jungkook. We've got 2 Yoongis today. So that is it for my Love Yourself Her version L pulls. I actually have both of these, so I guess I'm gonna have to trade these. Very surprised, very shocked, but happily so. Very cool. If you guys happen to like this sort of video where I do unboxings and show you the photo cards that I receive in the BTS albums, because I plan on trying to complete my current collections, definitely give this video a thumbs up. It just lets me know that you are interested in seeing that. I will definitely put videos up. These are kind of fun to do for me anyways. I've always loved unboxings and unbaggings, if you guys know my YouTube channel at all, so this is kind of fun and exciting for me. If you want to see any more of my BTS content, there will be a playlist up here somewhere. If you guys want to see more from me in general, you can definitely hit subscribe down below. I would greatly appreciate it. What do you guys think? Oh my goodness, surprise, surprise. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. Let me know who you pulled in the Love Yourself Her version L if you happen to have this album as well. Hope everyone's doing well, staying safe, staying healthy, staying happy. I will talk to you guys later.